The Prime Minister is using smoke and mirrors to conceal his real plans. Just 4 months ago, Labour swept into power with a landslide victory, promising to restore trust in politics. However, the new government may already be burning through that trust with a budget that could have lasting consequences for years. Sir Keir Starmer and Rachel Reeves understood the public's frustration with the Conservative Party and banked on being given some breathing room to make difficult decisions. But voters won't tolerate being treated like fools, and many now feel misled by promises that seem like sleight of hand. Throughout the election, Starmer and Reeves repeatedly promised not to raise income tax, VAT, or national insurance. In the manifesto, it was written, "Labour will not increase taxes on working people, which is why we will not increase national insurance, the basic, higher, or additional rates of income tax, or VAT." However, they now claim that this pledge only referred to employee national insurance, not employer contributions. But how many small business owners, who wake up at dawn, work long hours, and stress over payroll, consider themselves anything but working people? Probably very few. They also assured the public that the manifesto was fully costed and funded. Yet, once in office, they discovered a £22 billion shortfall. Half of that is needed to cover public sector pay demands and end strikes. To fill the gap, Labour is now stripping winter fuel allowances from millions of pensioners, including those struggling to make ends meet, a change that wasn't mentioned in their manifesto, breaking the tradition of previous Labour campaigns. The manifesto did contain a non-negotiable promise to follow strict rules on spending and debt. But just last week, one of those rules was rewritten to free up £50 billion for investment spending. So much for fully costed and fully funded promises. With at least 4 years until the next election, Labour may be hoping voters have short memories. But trust is easy to lose and hard to regain, and this week's so-called Halloween budget might leave many with nightmares for years to come.